In a city filled with endless noise, there exists a legendary drum that makes no sound. It was crafted from the hide of a white bull and the wood of a lightning-struck tree. They called it the silent drum. Its silence was deafening, a strange omen that unsettled the people. They offered sacrifices, prayed for a beat, for any sign, but the drum remained quiet. What they didn't realize was the drum's unseen influence. On the battlefield, its presence brought an eerie calm. At the bedside of the dying, it offered a peaceful departure from the world. One day, a young woman, tired of the city's clamor, sat before it. As she listened not with her ears, but with her heart, she heard its true story. The drum wasn't meant to make noise. It was a vessel, created to absorb all the world's chaos and pain, offering silence in its place.